Hello everybody, this is Eduardo Robles with the Avro Real Estate Team, powered by Keller Williams, based out of San Diego. Today's video, we're going to be talking about what is an appraisal and why it's important. So an appraisal is part of the real estate process, is where the buyers order an appraisal on the home to make sure that the value of the home is worth what they're purchasing it for. So it's pretty simple. A third-party vendor goes out there, appraises the houses, look at the comparables within a half-mile radius and have sold in the last 6 months, and they come up with a value. That value is sent to the lender and that is written in stone. If you have any other questions about what the appraisal is or why it's important, give me a call directly. My phone number is 619-651-5808. Again, thank you for watching this video. We'll catch you on the next one.